Hello everyone, I am Mehak G and today I am going to share my experience with the internship that I joined at Unified Private Limited. I joined this internship on 1st January 2024 to gain technical experience with web development technologies. I was able to complete this internship in 2 months, and this really helped me in my project building and also helped me to grow my resume, and this also helped me to gain technical experience with the real world technologies and real world projects. The projects were really helpful. I got to learn a lot of things, and this made me get hands-on practice with the web technologies, especially the MERN stack. This also helped me in time management as the internship period was for 2 months, and this made me learn how the web development actually works. This internship enhanced my technical skills and made me more focused on the web technologies, and this made me so proficient that now I can create projects on my own. It was a very valuable experience with working with Unified Private Limited. I am really obliged that I joined this internship and got to learn so many things. Thank you, of Internship, for giving me this opportunity. I am really thankful for you and the learnings that I got from you, and thank you for everything, and thank you.